In 2016, Subaru issued a TSB for the limited range of VINs of the Crosstrek and also WRX, STI and Forester vehicles made between 2014 and 2016 for the AC compressor failure. It appeared that the older type of compressors had issues with electrical windings within the clutch assembly, and this could also lead to compressor failure. So under the TSB number 108416, the company offered a new AC compressor and clutch assemblies. The problem is that when you check your VIN for the recalls on the Subaru's website, you will not get this information, since it's not a recall, because recalls mainly cover safety issues. This is just a TSB which is applied to fix issues with the AC compressor, and it was free only under warranty. However, I know about cases of goodwill coverage from Subaru as late as in 2024 for an almost 10-year-old car, so you may take a chance, show this TSB to your dealership and also contact Subaru and ask them for help. I believe you may not pay anything for parts and will pay for labor only, or the dealer will not charge you for inspections, which is about $200 in this case. So it never hurts to know the TSB number or even have it printed out.